Hello, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create our schema.org generator template from scratch. This is a powerful tool, and if you want to see it in action, there's a demo video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. First, we'll add the URL retriever to allow the chatbot to extract key data from the provided URL. Next, we'll add the prompt component, which defines the instructions for the generator. The prompt is designed to create schema.org markup based on the user's input, generating types like about, same as, mentions, list item, and item list. You can customize it by copying and modifying the sample prompt provided in the description. Then connect the prompt component to a text generator. This enables the flow to generate the schema.org JSON markup accurately for your website. Finally, link the generator to the output, allowing the user to review and download their customized markup. That's it! We've successfully built the schema.org generator template. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.